discs are brilliant. To you, Mummy Pig.
To you, Peppa. To you, Daddy.
Oh
Didn't
no!
fly. It's okay, Peppa.
It's
You
okay.
just have to spin the disc in a special way.
Hold it flat,
And then
Okay. Hold it flat and spin it. To
catch.
you, George. Throw the disc to me, George.
Go.
To you, Peppa. What? You. Oh, our disc is
Oh
red.
no!
Whose disc is that?
Mommy and
it
Daddy.
is Daddy Dog and
This
his
Daddy
daddy.
Dog.
Hi,
And
Peppa. Hi, Danny.
hello, Daddy
You
Dog.
caught our disc.
Oh, it's
Oh,
your
I
disc.
see it.
Yes. Can you spin it back to me? Okay. To you, Danny. What?
Another disc.
Another one
Hello,
there.
Peppa.
Funny face
It
face.
is Mandy Mouse.
Maddie Mouse.
Have you seen a blue disc? Yes, I caught it. That's my disc. Okay, Mandy, are you ready? Yes. Steady? Yes. Catch. Got you. Hello, everyone.
Here is Susie Sheep and
Sheep
her
and
mummy.
Mommy.
Hi, Susie. Have
Hello,
you got a flying
Susie.
disc? Yes. It's the best flying
Best
disc in the
flying-
world. It has flashing
The
lights
flying
and
disc.
plays music.
Oh,
Great. So where is this amazing
where is it
disc?
now?
Well, you see,
where do
the
it
thing
now?
is, throw it in a tree.
Mummy Sheep threw Susie's
Music
flying
on.
disc into the top of a tall tree.
It's very high up.
Harder.
Too high to climb? No problem. We'll just knock that disc out with this one.
Mom, Dad.
Ah, that's not what was supposed to
That's
happen.
not
It was a
supposed
good
to happen.
idea. I wonder if I
I
can knock
wonder where
both
he's
of
going
them
to
out
find
of the
next
tree.
to his
No,
feet.
Looks like we've got the only
Well,
disc
you
left.
look at the tree.
Shall I try and knock the others out of the tree?
Okay, Daddy, but do it right.
All the discs are stuck in the
I'm
tree.
stuck in the tree.
I know a way to get the
I know.
discs down.
That's a good idea.
Shook an apple tree
The
to
earth is going to be very foggy.
The apples fell
The
on
speaky
Daddy's
that
head.
it's a lot.
It was
Screaming Simon.
Yes, really funny.
Watch out for the apple
This is
tree.
the same sort of idea.
Huh?
I might need a bit of help.
Almost
This
there
is
to
a
the
big
tree.
Right there.
1, 2, 3.
I think it's working. Keep shaking, Daddy.
All the animals there.
Shake harder.
There are Manny Mouse and Daddy Dog and Sleepy and
So that the tick
Pepper. Wow! Oh, ow! You did it!
Okay, everyone, watch what my disc does.
Susie's flying disc has flashing lights and plays music.
Pepper.
To you, Daddy. To you, Peppa.
Peppa loves flying discs. Everybody loves flying discs.
Almost done.